Greetings, I'm Dev the developer. This lesson covers lists in HTML, the unordered list, the ordered list, the list item, and how to nest lists inside of each other. Lists are one of the most used structures on the web, and they have more flexibility than most people expect when they first encounter them. An unordered list is a collection of items where the sequence does not matter. The classic example is a list of ingredients or set of features. Browsers render these with bullet points by default. The structure is simple. UL, the unordered list, is the container, and each item inside it is an LI or list item element. The bullet points are purely visual. If you want a different style, you will handle that with CSS later. The UL tag means this is an unordered list. What it looks like is a completely separate concern. That handles the unordered case. When sequences matter, use OL or the ordered list tag. An ordered list is for items where sequence matters. Step-by-step instructions, ranked results, a numbered outline. Browsers number these sequentially by default. The ordered list tag has three useful attributes worth knowing. The start attribute sets the starting number. If your list picks up mid-sequence, you can set start equal to 10, and the first item will be labeled 10. The reversed attribute flips the numbering to count down instead of up. Useful for countdowns or ranked lists where the highest number is first. Individual list items can also use the value attribute to override their position in the sequence. If you set value equals 1 on the third item, it and all following items will renumber from 1 downward. This is useful when a list needs to jump to a specific position. Lists also support hierarchy, and that is where nesting comes in. You can put a list inside a list item to create nested levels. You can put a list inside a list item to create a hierarchy. The nested list goes inside the list item element after any text in that item. Think of an outline, Roman numeral sections, each with lettered subsections. That structure is exactly what nested lists represent in HTML. You can mix ordered and unordered lists in a nest. The outer lists can be ordered while the inner lists are unordered, or the other way around. The browser handles the indentation and numbering automatically at each level. A word of caution. Deeply nested lists get difficult to read quickly. If you find yourself 4 levels deep, it is worth asking whether a different structure would serve the reader better. Unordered lists for collections where order does not matter. Ordered lists for sequences where it does, with start, reversed, and value defined to numbering. List items for individual items, and nested lists for hierarchy. Lists are everywhere on the web. Understanding how they work makes you faster at building what you actually need. Don't just watch it, do it.